I'm Dr. Nabil Fakih. I'm the Chief of the Department of Facial Plastic and Craniomaxillofacial Surgery at Fakih Hospital. I should tell you that I'm very pleased with Tulip instruments. I've been working with them around 10 years and the instruments are as the first day I have been using them. Really unique instruments with a high-end set. I should tell you that I was focusing on my area of expertise, which is the face, and we wanted to create a very nice set, very detailed set regarding how we treat everything on the face, from Microfat for sculpting, SNIF and SNIE after emulsification, for wrinkles and scars, and finally for skin rejuvenation, creating NanoFat. It's really very unique because it has all the things you need to do Microfat, SNIF, SNIE and NanoFat. But over this, we have a special instrument in it. It's the tongue of the snake, I always call it, because it really can dissect all the fibrous tissue formation in the scars to really target them and elevate them and fill them. Really a high-end set. Everything you need to have it for treating the face is the all-in-one set for the face.